friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and spicy Chettinadu style prawn. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's see the ingredients. We need about 4 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 6 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, about 15 shallots or small onions which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of stone flour, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. We also need some tamarind pulp. Today I have taken about 1 kg of prawns which is deveined and washed. Now let's take a pan. Into the pan let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start adding the spices. So let's add the cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and also the fennel seeds. Now let's add the stone flour. The stone flour gives a unique flavor for this recipe. Now let's add the shallots which is finely chopped and also add the curry leaves. Now saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes till all the aroma is well released in the oil. Now you can see that the onions are nice and opaque. At this stage, let's add the ginger garlic paste. Today I've taken about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Stir fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes till all the raw smell goes off. Now let's add the tomatoes. Today I've taken about 3 large tomatoes. And also add sufficient salt at this stage. Let's also add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and about 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Friends, you can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now let's stir fry it till the tomatoes are nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add about half a cup of water. This helps the tomatoes to cook fast and becomes nice and soft and mushy. Now let's add about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. You can see that our tomatoes are nice and soft. At this stage, let's add the cleaned prawns. Today I've taken about 1 kg of prawns which is cleaned and deveined. Friends, always remember to wash any seafood that we use with some salt and turmeric to remove all the toxins from them. Now you can see that the prawns has changed color. At this stage, let's add about 1 cup of thick coconut milk. I have used the freshly grated coconut. Take the first milk which is thick and creamy and let's add it into the prawns. At this stage, let's add about 4 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. This gives a nice tangy flavor to the prawn gravy. Friends, note that if you want the prawns in a semi-gravy texture, you can switch off the flame at this stage by garnishing it with some coriander leaves. Or if you want it dry, you can leave it for some more time on the flame and serve it hot. So that's it, friends. Our delicious spicy Chettinadu prawn gravy is absolutely ready. It goes very well with rice or even chapati or bread. So do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. Friends, see you all with another interesting recipe. Keep watching Fabulous Chef Cookery.